A raven hopped along the ground in Yellowstone, very confident about everything. Ravens usually are. Then the ground started breathing. P.S.S.S.S.S.S.H. Steam drifted up from a geyser vent, curling into the air like a ghost that forgot where it was going. The raven tilted his head. Once, twice. He poked the steam with his beak. Bad idea. The steam vanished. The ground hissed again somewhere else. The raven flapped backward, offended. Deeply offended. He circled overhead, watching carefully now. Ravens are clever, but even clever things double-check. Yellowstone steam comes from water heated deep underground, where magma warms the earth from below. It rises, moves, and disappears without warning. The raven landed at a safe distance and cawed as if writing a very serious report. Some things aren't meant to be figured out up close. Some wonders are better observed from above.